Dear children, now let us see how to save your document. Okay, for that you have to click on file button. Okay, file button or office button. So if you click on file button, here you can see various menus. Okay, isn't it? And in that you have to click on save as. Okay, so if you click on save as, you have to select in which folder you want to save. Okay, now I am going to click on documents. Okay, so here in this file name you have to give the name of your file. Okay, here I am going to type it as lesson 7. Lesson 7. Okay, now I am going to click on save. Okay. So after clicking on save, what happens? Your document file is being saved. Okay. Dear children, our next topic is retrieving your work. Okay. That means you are just opening your document which you have already saved. Okay. How we have saved? Yes, we have saved it as lesson 7. Now we are going to open that. Okay. Let us see how to open. You have to go to file and then click on open. Okay. So here you can see various documents being saved, isn't it? In that we have saved it as lesson 7. Okay. So I am just double clicking on lesson 7. So what happens? Yes. Our document is being opened now. Okay. Dear children, now let us see how to print your document. Okay. For that, you have to click on file button or office button. Okay. So if you click on file button, here you can see various menus, isn't it? So in this menu, here you have to click on print. So while you click on print, what happens? Print dialog box appears. Okay. Asking how many copies. Okay. Now I want only 1 copy. So I am just giving it as 1. Okay. And then here you have to select the printer. Okay, if there are more printers connected, you have to select the printer. And also the orientation, whether you want it in portrait orientation or in landscape orientation. Okay, that and all you have to give according to your wish. Okay, and then if you click on print, means what happens? Whatever you have typed will be printed. Okay. Dear children, now assume that you want multiple copies of your document. What will you do? Yes, in the same way you have to click on file button or office button, and here you have to click on print option and the print dialog box appears, and in copies you have to give the number of copies you want. Okay, I want it 20 copies. Okay, so now I am just giving it as 20. Okay, so here if you give 20 and if you click on print option, what happens? Yes, the printer will print 20 copies of your document. Okay, similarly you can give any number of copies you want. Okay children.
The printed document is called as hard copy, and the document that is saved in your computer is called as soft copy.
Dear children, now let us see how to type a letter. Assume that you want to type a letter to your friend. Let us see how to type. Okay, the blank space that you can see here is the work area. Okay, here only you will be typing your words. Okay, now let us see. Okay, so let us see how to type a letter. Okay. Dear friend. So after typing dear friend, I want to go to next line. What will you do? Yes, we have to press the enter key. Okay, so it goes to, the cursor goes to next line. Okay. How are you? Okay. And after writing how are you, you want to put question mark. What will you do? Yes, you have to press shift key and then press the question mark key. Okay. So the question mark will be appearing on the screen. Now let me type my name and save this document. Okay. By Vidya. Okay. Now I am going to save this document. How will you save? Yes, you have to click on file and then you have to click on save as. And then you have to select in which folder you want. I want in documents. Okay. Now I am giving it as letter. Okay. Now letter. Okay. And then I am going to save this. Okay. So our document is being saved as letter. Dear children, assume that you want to print your letter. How will you print? Yes, you have to go to file button and then you have to
Dear children, now let
print
us see
option
what are
and you
the
have to
uses of word
select
processor.
how many
First
copies
one
you
is
want and
the
then you
final
can
copy produced
print.
by you will
Okay.
be neat. That means whatever content you are typing in MS Word will be neat. Now let us see second point, that is written matter stored on hard disk. That means whatever you are writing in MS Word will be stored in the hard disk. Now let us see third point, print many copies of a document. That means you can print any number of copies of your document as you wish. Now let us see the fourth point. Make changes in any document without typing the whole of it again. That means assume that you have typed a document and you have saved it as lesson 7. Okay. Now you want to edit that document. What will you do? Yes, you can open that document and you can edit, isn't it? So that means you don't need to type the matter again and again. Okay, children.